Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, turning ordinary cardboard, often discarded, into a powerful sharpening and polishing tool. I'm taking this old cardboard box and carefully cutting into its seams to break it down. This will be the foundation for our custom abrasive disc, so the more uniform the pieces, the better. Using a utility knife, I'm making precise cuts along the existing folds and edges. The goal is to separate the flat panels cleanly, minimizing any jagged or uneven edges, which will make the next steps much easier and ensure a more stable finished product. Here's my trusty angle grinder. I'm going to remove the standard abrasive disc it currently has installed. I'm using the removed disc as a template. I'll place it on one of my cardboard pieces and trace a perfect circle. This ensures our homemade disc will be the correct size to fit the grinder's spindle and housing. I'll repeat this for all the cardboard layers. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the circles traced, it's time to cut them out. I'm using a pair of sharp scissors to carefully follow the lines. Accuracy here is key for a well-balanced disc, so I'm taking my time to cut them as perfectly round as possible. Now I'm using a rolling pin-like tool to flatten them out. This step helps to compress the cardboard fibers and remove any lingering creases, making the individual layers more uniform and dense, which is vital for a robust and even abrasive surface. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm applying a generous amount of strong adhesive to one side of a cardboard circle. Then, I carefully place another circle directly on top, ensuring perfect alignment. I'll press them together firmly, and repeat this process for all the layers, building up a thick, multi-layered disc. This creates a solid foundation that can withstand the rotation of the grinder. Once all the layers are glued and stacked, I'm using the rolling tool again. This is essential to thoroughly press out any air bubbles and ensure maximum adhesion between all the cardboard layers. A tight bond means a durable disc that won't separate during use. Now that our cardboard stack is firm, I'm placing it on a wooden block. I'll use my drill to create a precise central hole, which is crucial for mounting the disc correctly on the angle grinder. A perfectly centered hole prevents wobble and ensures efficient operation. With the initial hole drilled, I'm using a utility knife to carefully enlarge and clean up the opening. This ensures the hole is perfectly sized to fit the grinder spindle, allowing for easy attachment and removal, and a secure fit so it doesn't spin off when operating at high speeds. Alright, it's time to mount our newly crafted cardboard disc onto the angle grinder. I'm securing it with the original locking nut, making sure it's tight and stable. I'm using a utility knife to make light cuts on the grinding disc to create friction. I'm applying a green polishing compound to the spinning cardboard disc. This compound contains abrasive particles that, when transferred to the cardboard, turn it into an effective buffing wheel. It's designed to give metal surfaces a smooth, mirror-like finish. I'm removing our newly greenified polishing disc and replacing it with a standard A120 flap disc. This rougher abrasive disc will be used to quickly remove material and establish a new, sharp edge on our dull knife. It's the first step in the sharpening process. With the flap disc securely attached, I've clamped the angle grinder in a vise for stability. Now, I'm carefully sharpening a very dull kitchen knife. I maintain a consistent angle against the spinning disc, making multiple passes to grind away the old blunt edge and create a new refined bevel. I'm continuing to work the knife edge against the rotating abrasive disc. This repetitive motion, coupled with the proper angle, is essential for honing a truly sharp blade. I'm focusing on consistency, ensuring the entire length of the blade receives even treatment. The sparks flying off confirm that metal is being removed, bringing us closer to a perfect edge. After creating a basic edge, I'm now putting our green polishing disc back on the angle grinder. This step is crucial for refining the sharpness. The polishing compound removes any microburrs left by the abrasive disc, leaving a razor-sharp, mirror-finished edge. The knife needs to be incredibly sharp for the next tests, and this buffing wheel is perfect for achieving that. Now for the moment of truth. I'm testing the knife's edge on a piece of paper. Look at that. It slices through effortlessly, without any snagging or tearing. This homemade sharpening system truly works wonders, transforming a dull blade into one that glides through paper like butter. It's incredibly satisfying to see the results of this DIY project. But a paper test is just the beginning. Let's see how it performs on food. I'm taking a potato and, with incredible ease, I'm able to peel it into super thin, delicate slices. The knife just glides through, demonstrating not only its extreme sharpness but also its precision. This is the kind of performance you expect from a professional-grade blade. It goes to show that with a little ingenuity and some simple materials, you can achieve professional results right at home. We've transformed simple cardboard into an essential tool for your workshop. This project proves that you don't need expensive equipment to get fantastic results. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.